Hey everyone. Today I was installing a trapdoor in my treehouse, and it's over here in the corner of the treehouse. So it's kind of chicken, beautiful chicken. So it was a little bit tricky, but what I did was I wound up building a frame around, and then I had the hinges back set a little bit. So they're back there, set up in a 2x4 braced against the back wall there. Some heavy duty hinges. This door probably weighs about 30 pounds. So it's got 3 heavy duty hinges in the back. And then I got a deadbolt here. It's got a key on both sides, keyhole on both sides, so that you can lock it and unlock it. There's the hole for it right there. I guess one of the trickiest parts of this was these little piston things, so it kind of holds it upright. Makes it harder to close, but it gives you a little assist towards the end there. Makes it a little bit more gentle. The instructions were horrible. So, and you can't, it's pretty difficult to close these with your hand to like test where, the door could close and stuff. So what I did, I guess this video is mainly on these little piston things. What I did was I kind of put this where I thought it would work, and then I just screwed in just like a single solitary screw to hold the lower part in there. Basically it was trial and error. And then I would screw it in up there too, and then I would just one screw on both ends, and then I would see when I closed if it's gonna come down. I think originally I had it way out here, the bottom part way out here, but it would only close some of the way, and I think I moved it one other time before I got there. So I guess I would try. You won't need it close to where it's going to be closing. See how this is straight up and down here almost? Like you need it. If I hadn't been this in the way, I probably would have been even closer, because this needs to have room to fold. Oops. This has to come and fold down as it closes. I'll show you that. Going down. So, sorry about this. Okay. So here's our super close up of a piston here. Okay, so closing. Okay, so you can see as that swings down that needs to have room to pivot. So I recommend putting it close to the thing, so it's almost like straight up and down, because it's gonna need that room to close, to swing down. So there we go. So it's almost, I would say, vertical there. You can kind of see, and then that gives it room to pivot down and swing down. So there we go. There's my trapdoor for my treehouse. Here's my treehouse here. It's getting there. Got a loft. Did some sheetrock. Did some electrical. Some windows. The kids will have fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's the trapdoor. Just made out of some. It's just a top layer. I did the top layer OSB because I did that with my floor as well. Then it's got a layer of plywood, and then it's just got some 2x4s to support that. And there we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Not exactly sure what to call these. It's like a piston in there. It's like a hinge, piston hinge or something like that. at any rate, it helps quite a bit. This thing is, it's not going to rock backwards because they hold it from hitting the wall, and then you're not going to accidentally slam this because it takes a little bit to close it. And then right about here, it starts going by itself. So yeah, hopefully it'll help the kids from getting fingers pinched or anything like that. Alright, everyone, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.